Hello, my name is Haley Gross. I am a junior studying mechanical engineering with a concentration in biomedical engineering. Today I will be talking about my cooperative education experience this summer. This summer I worked with Jordan and Skala engineers as a plumbing cooperative education student, and I was supervised by Jonathan Brown. Throughout my time at Jordan Skala Engineers, I have learned multiple things. For example, I have learned basic plumbing terms and concepts such as names of plumbing systems. I have also learned how to use Revit and AutoCAD. In Revit and AutoCAD, I have developed unit plans. These unit plans show piping of bathrooms and kitchens. I have also helped develop domestic water, gas, sanitary, and storm risers. These risers show piping throughout multiple levels of the building. I have also coordinated with both mechanical and electrical while designing these. I have helped develop domestic water, gas, sanitary, and storm piping, and I've used interpolation during the sizing process. I have applied codes of the international and state for plumbing during the design, and I have went on site visits to observe mechanical and plumbing system installations at residential and commercial buildings. Throughout my time at Jordan Skala Engineers, there was a positive impact of my employment. In the Mid-Atlantic office, there was a 4.28% increase in gender diversity, as well as a 32% production involvement of active projects from me, and I also prevented thousands of dollars worth of change orders when working on construction administration projects. Within the plumbing team itself, there was a 15% increase in gender diversity and a 20% increase in production capacity. While working at Jordan Skala Engineers, I gained an insight into the MEP industry. Before the career fair, I was unaware the MEP industry even existed and that engineers were involved in this type of industry. I also learned the importance of MEP engineers. Without these engineers, construction projects might not be built to code. I also learned MEP engineering is much more complex than one might think. If an engineer forgets one thing, such as a light switch or a pipe, it can cost thousands of dollars to the owner. And lastly, I learned the work of a plumbing engineer is more than just designing bathrooms and kitchens. It's also designing things such as draining in parking garages as well as storm drainage on buildings. My time at Jordan Skala has helped me grow as a person. For example, I am more accepting of my mistakes, and I'm more willing to ask questions. Before going into this summer, I had no idea what plumbing engineering was and how I was going to be able to help them this summer in designs. I also expanded my network, and I also was encouraged on my program. Beforehand, I was struggling a good bit in classes, so it was nice to know that others, such as my age and others that are graduated and have their PEs, have struggled with courses before. I also increased my knowledge in operating Revit and AutoCAD. Beforehand, I had no experience in these programs. My career plans right now is to not work as a plumbing engineer. Although I enjoyed working with Jordan Skala Engineers, I do not see myself enjoying this job full time. It confirmed my initial plans of becoming a biomedical engineer. Thank you for listening to my cooperative education presentation, and I hope you have a great day.